Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make this multicolor rainbow party decoration. You can use it for any party. It is made out of crepe paper. You can use it for a birthday party, baby shower, wedding, anniversary. You can also use it as a room decoration. If you are new to this channel is all about party decorations, room decorations, and all kinds of other DIYs. If you haven't subscribed yet, click on that red subscribe button right now so you don't miss out on all my future uploads and you don't lose my channel. We are going to take a square of 18 by 18 centimeters. We have our square here. We will fold it diagonally like this, shaping it into a triangle. Then we'll lift one side and take it to the middle, and you won't fold it, you'll just make a push here and a push here. Next, till half, like this, and you'll fold it there. That's the same you are going to do on this side. You will fold it till half. You need the half of this. This is the half. You'll fold it till there. So we have our paper here. We'll make one fold like this, another fold like this. We'll fold. Then we'll take our scissors, and from here, from about the half, we are going to take it. After having done so, we'll open it up. And this is how our flower looks like. And we will take purple or pink color crepe paper, whichever one you have. And you'll take enough crepe paper of the size of the paper that you have here, the flower. Next you'll take glue, and with glue on 1 centimeter distance from the edges, we'll follow the flower shape. And put glue on it. After having done so, we will turn over our paper on the crepe paper. And we'll paste it on the crepe paper. While doing so, make sure that you have another paper or anything underneath, because the crepe paper will stain. Just follow this glue line one time, so you make sure that the line is very nicely made and it's evenly glued. After having done so, take scissors and cut out all the excess crepe paper that is out of the flower shape. This is how the flower looks like now. We'll keep this aside. Now while it dries, we will take all the color crepe paper that we took to make the garlands, and we'll take small squares of them. Of each color, we'll take one square, and our square will be 5 by 5 centimeters big. We have our square here. We will fold it over like this, and the same way from the middle point here, we'll take it till about the half, and we'll fold it like this, and the same we'll do on the other side. We'll take it from the middle point and we will fold it at half. Then we will fold it one time over like this, and one time like this. And the same way from at least half of the fold, we'll cut till there. Here we have our small flower, We'll be doing this with all the other colors crepe paper that we had. We need one flower of each color. Next, again, we'll take a piece of square paper. Also of each color crepe paper that we have used for the garlands, we'll take each color one small piece square, and from this square we'll make a small circle. We'll cut the circle. I've made a circle here. This is the same that we're going to do with all the other colors. Next, we'll take a very small piece of yellow crepe paper, and we are going to cut a small circle out of it of about 3 centimeters. Next, we are going to take glue, and we'll glue this yellow piece circle that we just made in the middle of this flower that we had just made. Then we'll take 1 meter of thread. We'll turn over the rows. Make sure that one petal is pointing for above, and in the middle from the back side we'll paste this thread. Then we will take one flower. We will start with the dark pink color flower. Make it its petal point for above, and we will tape it. At a small distance from that, we'll take our circle, also of the same color, and we'll paste that. Next, we will take light pink color. We'll paste that with tape, and we'll take the light pink circle and we will paste that under it. And from here, from this pink point, we will paste all the flowers and all the circles upside down. We started from red and we went to pink. We did the 2 pink and the purple, so now we have to do upside down from the blue, green, yellow, orange and red color. And as we are nearing the end, we will make the distances between the figures smaller. These garland streamers that I've made here, I've made a separate video on this, so if you haven't watched that video yet, I'll be linking it in the I button above. Do click on it and watch it so you know how to make these garland streamers that I've used here. I have 10 streamers here. I'll be showing you exactly in the video how you can make these multicolored garland streamers, which you can use for any festive occasion. We'll take the flower and we'll paste the double-sided tape. It's on the back. And then we'll take small pieces of double-sided tape and we'll put it on the back side of each flower and each circle. I have mixed the colors. They are different. They're not the same. You can also mix with the colors. They don't have to match. They have to be different. You have to use the same colors that we have used here, but we'll mix up the colors, not in the same order. We'll mix it up. I've made 2 different types here. Only thing that's similar, that they are both starting with green color. That's the only thing that you have to make sure, that they end with the same color, and that's, in my case, it will be green. I'm starting with 2 different, totally different colors. I have, on this one I'm starting with blue, and on this one I'm starting with pink, and we'll paste this on the back side of our flower. Then we'll take one of this. We'll roll it up a few times for the left side, and we'll bring it there till here, and we are going to paste it here. That's the same that we're going to do with this one. We're going to turn it for the left side a few times. This is our multicolored crepe paper rainbow themed party decoration. I hope you did like it. The like goal of this video is 100 likes, so if you didn't like this video yet, then please click on that like button right now. If there is any special decorations, I also make themed decoration or personalized decorations. If there is any decoration you wish to see, then you can request it to me. You can write it in the comment section below and I'll be reading it, and I might make a special decoration for you. All the decorations on Rosie channel, on my channel, are exclusive. You can only find these decorations on my channel and nowhere else on the internet. So that's reason enough to subscribe. Do check out my other videos. I have many other videos, very beautiful decoration ideas to make your occasion special. Check out my other videos and don't forget to subscribe. Please don't leave without subscribing.